Hello students, welcome to Divyapad School online class, and today we will learn how to arrange numbers in ascending order and descending order. Okay, so let's have a picture and let's see how to arrange it. Let's see the basic funda. So here we have a picture, and as you can see, when the monkey goes up, it goes in increasing order, like 11 to 12 to 13 to 14 to 15. Means 11, which is the smallest number, to 15, which is the biggest number. This is called an ascending order. And when the monkey goes down, it goes in decreasing order, like 15 to 14 to 13 to 12 to 11. It comes from bigger number to smaller number, which is called descending order. So students, here we are with our practice questions. Okay, let's start and let's see that are you ready to solve all these easy questions. Let's try with the first one. Here we will use ascending order, and what is the main rule of it? Its main and fundamental rule is to write the number small to big. Okay, so smaller number to bigger number. Fine, so we will see here in the first one which is the smallest number. See, 15, 7 or 9. Which is the smallest number? 7. So first of all we will write 7. Okay, fine. 7 का काम हो गया. Now circle it. अभी कौन कौन बचे हैं? 15 and 9. So which is the smallest? Small to big we have to go. 7 is already written, so only 2 are remaining, 15 and 9. Which one is smaller? 9 is smaller. So write 9 here and circle it. इसका भी काम हो गया, तो इस पे भी circle बना देंगे हम लोग. Now who is remaining? Only 15. So write down 15. 15 को भी हमने बॉक्स में बिठा दिया है. 15 is also sitting in the box. So उसका भी काम finish. Now let's see the second question. We have 3 numbers and we have to see that which one is smallest. 2, 20 or 11. Which one is smallest? 2. Okay. So 2 को बिठा देते हैं बॉक्स में. हो गया भाई तेरा काम. अब कौन कौन बचा? 20 and 11. इनमें से स्मॉलेस्ट ढूंढना है. 20 और 11. 11 ऑब्वियसली. 11 को भी बॉक्स में बिठा दो. काम फिनिश. हु इज रिमेनिंग? 20. सो हियर 20. Okay, and try to solve the third one by yourself. Okay, just pause the video and try to do it by yourself. Fine, I will try to solve it for you. Which one is smallest here? 9 is smallest. बिठाओ इसको बॉक्स में. हो गया भाई तेरा काम. अब कौन बचा है? 25 and 96. So find out the smallest number. 25 is smaller. बिठा देते हैं इसको. Done. Who is remaining? Only 96. You are also done. Sit in the box. Fine. So I hope you all have understood the ascending order. Now let's try to solve the questions of descending order. अच्छा, अभी descending order का fundamental rule क्या है? Bigger number to smaller number. We have to find the biggest number. 32, 16 and 80. Which one is smallest? Smallest को भूल जाओ. Which one is biggest? The biggest is 80. 80 number बैठ गया है बॉक्स में. You are done. Now who is remaining? 32 and 16. Who is biggest? 32. चलो बैठो बॉक्स में. You are also done. And who is remaining? 16. You are also done. Fine. Now we have 5, 71 and 32. हियर ऑल्सो सी डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर है, तो बिग नंबर टू स्मॉल नंबर जाना है हमें, तो बिग नंबर ढूंढना है हमें. फाइंड आउट द बिगेस्ट नंबर. 5, 71 and 32. Which one is biggest? 71. 71 भैया बैठ जाओ बॉक्स में. You are done. Now who is remaining? 5 and 32. 32 is bigger. 32 को भी बिठा देते हैं बॉक्स में. Now who is remaining? 5. Write down 5. हो गया ना बिग नंबर टू स्मॉल नंबर. सी 71 इज बिगर, उससे थोड़ा छोटा 32, उससे थोड़ा छोटा 5. सो बिगर नंबर, देन अ लिटिल स्मॉल, देन अ लिटिल स्मॉल. लेट्स सी द थर्ड वन. 16, 12 and 47. Our rule is big to small. So find out the biggest. 70. No. 47. Then 16 or 12? 16. Then who is remaining? 12. भैया आ जाओ बॉक्स में. सब अपने अपने बॉक्स में बैठ गए प्रॉपरली. दूसरों के घर में तो नहीं बैठे ये लोग. नहीं, अपने अपने घर में ही बैठे हैं. वेरी गुड. फाइन. सो नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज यू हैव टू गो बैक. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा बैक जाओ वीडियो में और फिर पॉज करो और सारे क्वेश्चंस खुद सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करो. ओके, सी यू सून किड्स.